friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm your Sharmili Patkar. Today I'm going to show you how to cook fresh sweet corn at home. Every kids will love this corn. Come, I will show you easy method. Here we took one fresh corn cob, salt according to your taste, half of lemon, half teaspoon of ghee. Remove the outer cover of corn. Cut it into 2 pieces. So that we can separate the corn easily from the cob. Take some water in a utensil. When it gets heated, add corn. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and cook for 10 minutes. Add ghee. Then add lemon juice. Mix it and turn off the flame. Now it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.